You need fresh leads coming into your business each and every day. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and strategies that are going to help you get greater results. So stay tuned. Hey, it's Reggie Pegues, Prospering Dad TV, motivation, mindset, marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. And I want to welcome you back to the channel. But if you are brand new, if this is your first time, I want you to go here, hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell below. So as I upload new content that's going to help you explode your business online, you will be the first to know. How to attract more leads online. Leads are vital to any business. If you're not generating leads, then you don't have any potential prospects or clients to sell to. I know when you started your business, when you first joined your company, they gave you the instructions of to make a list of 100 people. Go through your phone, contact your friends and family, and basically do the belly to belly 3-foot rule. I want to tell you that this doesn't work because you don't want to strain your relationships with your family. You don't want to, every time they call, they're not picking up the phone, or if they see you at a family function, they go the other direction because they're afraid that you're going to sell them something. This can be the long road to building a business. The best way to ruin your relationships is to try to sell to all your family and friends, and every time they see you, you're pitching and selling. The key is to target the right people. You want to make sure that you're getting in front of the right people with the right message. And what do? How do we do that? See, people will buy from you. They're open and willing to buy from you if they already have the desire to purchase your product, service, or opportunity. For example, if I was going to one of my friends and I was in weight loss and I was attempting to get them and sell them a smoothie or a shake or something that was going to help them to lose weight, and they didn't want to lose weight, they would probably tell me no. But it's not personal that they're telling me no. I'm just offering them something that they don't want. It's so much better if you are in front of people who've already expressed the desire for what it is that you have and giving them that. So when you can do that, it works tremendously. You want to find the people who want what it is that you have, be it your product, service, or opportunity. And it makes it so much easier. This is how you can attract more leads, because you are already going to the marketplace and you are talking to people who are already looking for you. There are 3 types of groups that you want to address when using this particular strategy. The first group that you want to talk to is people who have bought before. By that I mean people who have already spent money. If it's weight loss, they've already spent money in weight loss. Or if it's travel, people who've already taken vacations. You want to be in front of the right people that have a history of already purchasing your product, service, or opportunity. The second group that you want to talk to are people who are looking for your product. Now, there are people every day who are going on Google and they're searching for particular products. They're searching for your product. Again, if it's weight loss, if it's travel, whatever it is, there are people that are out there actively searching for that. So the second group that you want to get in front of is people who are looking for your particular product, service, or opportunity, and giving them, again, what it is that they want. Be a problem solver, be an authority in the marketplace, someone that they can trust. And by giving them value, not promises, but giving them value and pointing them in the direction of your product, service, or opportunity, this will help you increase getting more leads online. The third group that you want to deal with and want to talk to is you want to talk to people that have a problem that you can solve. Now, if you've been following this series, you can check out my videos here at the top or check out my playlist. If you know that what their pain point is, if you understand what it is that is actually keeping them up at night, if it is that they want to lose weight, if it is that they want to earn more money and you have an affiliate program that can help them do that, if it is that they want to take their family on a great vacation, but they just don't know how to do it, they don't know how to budget their money, they don't know how to get the best vacation to the best places that'll make the entire family happy, you can solve that problem. And when you talk to people that have a problem that you can solve, it builds a relationship that is almost unshakable, because you built your know, like, and trust factor, and they are now ready to do business with you. They have credit card in hand and they're ready to go. So when you talk to these three groups, it helps you to build more leads online. I know that you're putting your links out there and you're putting out your images, but when you can really niche down, when you can really focus, when you can really get into that space where you're talking to the right people, where you're presenting to the right people, you will experience greater results online. So I want you to go here and check out my Prospering Dad playlist for more attraction marketing videos here, or you can just check out any playlist that you see here on my page. If you want to know how to generate more leads online, I want you to go to the description below. I have some links there that are going to help you. Be sure while you're there to check out my free ebook that's going to help you also learn how to use attraction marketing to build your business. I hope that you got some real value out of today. If you did, drop in the comments. Let me know what you thought about today's topic. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification while you're here, and most importantly, I want to see you on my next video.